Here we are today, kicking off the drone soccer team. Did you know about drone soccer? Yes, this is something that is becoming popular, and it's something that's going to help your kid do something very productive.
I've been flying drones for about 7 months now. Drone soccer is a really fun esport. It's very interactive. All of the people in the community always help each other out.
I've seen lots of people flying drones and chasing airplanes and stuff. So really, this industry can take you very far. Really no minimum. I would recommend getting in as soon as you can and start learning those the motor skills and developing your hands to know how to control it.
Well, the drone industry is an emerging technology. It's rapidly growing, and the aerospace industry as a whole is still rapidly growing. We've recovered past pre-pandemic levels, and there are jobs from pilots to maintenance technicians to air traffic controllers, high-paying, high-demand jobs that the industry can't find people to fill. So this is where, if you're interested in getting started, drones are the first step to learning about the aviation industry, learning about technology.
This is the right place to be.
Absolutely. Drone soccer is a great way to get started.